Mabuting tao, magandang buhay! Welcome to my vlog. I am your vlogger, Ma'am Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. My location now is exactly here in Lang Miga Public Market, here in Cedric Textmate and Marketing, the dealer of cellphone, Oppo, all types of cellphone, Nokia, what else? Vivo and all others about cellphone, something about cellphone, like accessories, right? Accessories. So let's get inside. I come into Cedric. We will be asking what are available. Mabuhay, Ma'am Nob! So,
Hi,
introduce
I'm
yourself.
Novi,
From
your Oppo promoter for today's video.
Wow! So, I'm excited, Ma'am Nog, because I will be choosing your Reno 11 soon in my TIA Teachers Association, Teachers Employees Association. This will be my choice. Soon, next week, we will go here with the representative. They will be down, the one to down or to give the deposit and all other payment, and the remaining I will be the one. So what is the latest about
Our latest
Oppo?
unit for Oppo is Reno 11 F5D.
And yes, and this will be my choice on my retirement gift. Oh wow, let me hold it. Excited. So please tell our viewers what are the features of the latest Reno 11 Oppo, the selfie camera expert.
Oppo
Ma'am.
Reno 11F is good for vlogging.
Vlogging like me.
Yes, ma'am.
I have my
We have
YouTube
dual
mobile channel.
video.
Like that, you will present to the audience my video.
It's also IP65 water and dust resistant.
What does it mean?
I mean, you can dip into the water in 3 minutes.
Without being damaged.
Yes, ma'am, without being damaged.
But if it's more than 3 minutes, sure.
3 minutes only, ma'am, because it's only the limitation.
Fresh water.
Yes, ma'am.
Salt water like seawater.
Seawater is not allowed.
So
only,
there.
only fresh water.
Yeah. So your advice when you are using Reno 11, you wrap this with, how do you call that? That's cellophane.
Cellophane or water
Water.
bag. Water bag.
Water bag.
Yes,
Available
water
in
Shopee, TikTok.
yeah, Shopee,
the
TikTok,
online stores.
yes. And TikTok products there, my friend there, no? Na online na TikTok. Okay, so
It's
this
good. It also have ma'am, new features, ma'am, like this, ma'am. Oh.
what is that picture?
You can erase your photo bomber.
That's actually my many problem because when I will post,
Yes, ma'am. Like this, ma'am. Oh.
I did not know that there is someone gaya-gaya doing also my post.
Like this, ma'am.
Oh,
Can
there is
just
photo bomber.
find the edit, then AI eraser, then
You can erase.
you can erase, then analyze photo,
No more.
remove.
Wow. That's
Wow.
my concern. Wow. Ma'am Nalit, sorry, Ma'am Lob. Ma'am Lob, I was in Bohol.
Yes.
You know, in Bohol, Chocolate Hills, there are so many people there.
Yeah.
You cannot take a picture with only you. So I find it very difficult to take only me.
Yes,
That's,
ma'am.
I have my picture there, but there are people near me, photo bombers. Okay, so what else? So photo bombers can be erased. Dual, come inside. Yeah, welcome to Cedric. Yeah, Textmate.
Like
Oh.
this, ma'am, you can also adjust or if you want, or brightness, you can adjust the brightness, ma'am. You can edit, ma'am, on your own.
So what will be my what app I'm going to pindot?
No, It's no need to go to download any apps, ma'am, or third-party application
So,
because it is kanang built-in only.
Wow. So what, how do you call this one? Button, I will,
You find the edit, then
edit.
find AI eraser.
AI
then,
eraser.
Yes, ma'am. Then circle the mga photo bombers.
No more.
Then it just wait a minute and it will
No
erase
more.
the photo bombers like that, ma'am.
Wow. Amazing. I
Then you
love
can
it.
edit also the background, ma'am. You can choose your background like that. Just ma'am, long press, just only long.
Long press.
Yes, ma'am. Save, copy, discard. Like that, ma'am. You can wait lang.
You can change the background.
Yes.